I'm getting ready to do the drawing for the drone drop box, and you may have noticed it's May 10th, and I said that I would do the drawing on May 9th. And now a lot of times I do the drawing, but then I don't post the results till the next day. But that didn't happen this time. And, you know, I could fake it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be honest with you, because I feel like it's really important on these drawings that you guys know that it's just as honest as possible. So here's what I got to do. This is actually like an obligation. The terms and conditions here, it's not a joke. I can't like just go, screw it, I'll do it on the 10th. So what I'm going to do is when I do the drawing, if your comment came in after May 9th, it's going to be invalid. And I apologize if you see your name come up, but then your comment is invalid. That's going to be a real disappointment for you. I'm kind of tempted to just edit that out and redo it, but I want you to see that these drawings happen with no edits, and you know that it's all because I want you guys to know I'm not faking this stuff. I'm playing fair. So I'm loading up the comments, and again, if you have more than one comment, or if your entry came in after like midnight on May 9th, then it's invalid. Okay, here we go. First, we're going to pick 3 winners. The first one is Comfy FPV, and I think I have to just go. Hold on. Comfy FPV. The most exciting drawing in the world. Oh, you got a quick look at upcoming videos, isn't it? And go back and freeze frame that. Where's the drone drop? There it is. Drone drop comments. Who am I looking for? Comfy FPV. That should work, right? No. Looks good. 4 days ago. Okay, Comfy FPV. You are good. You are a winner. Next winner. VonZek. Sandra, you couldn't show me he's on page 9. That probably tells us something right there. Yeah, he's on page 9 of 22. That pretty much means he came in before the deadline, but we will check. VonZek. 4 days ago, you're good, VonZek. You got in before the deadline. 1 comment, that you're a winner. And Curtis Campbell. Ooh, page 21. Curtis, you're on the edge there, buddy. Let's see. Curtis Campbell. Curtis Campbell, 4 days ago. Why was he on page 20 then? Well, I don't know, but Curtis Campbell has exactly one comment, and maybe she counts back from the end. I don't know, but his comment clearly came in 4 days ago. It's past the deadline. You guys are all the winners. Congratulations. You're going to be receiving a race pack from Drone Drop. Thanks to everybody else who entered, and I will see you at the beginning of the next month when there will be another Drone Drop box and another chance for you to win. And of course, I'm running giveaways all the time. Happy flying, you guys.